Finally today, you may recall a recent discussion we had with Extension educator Jon Hay about some of the intricacies involved with adding solar power to your farm, home, or business. For those who have been considering options for solar power, Jon is putting together a series of workshops to help potential solar investors get the biggest bang for their buck. Market Journal's Bill Dodd has the story.
As input costs continue to rise, some ag producers are trying several options to offset those expenses. Electricity is one cost that can be a challenge to lower. That's one reason solar power is beginning to become a more appealing energy alternative for some producers. However, there are several things producers should keep in mind before jumping into the purchase of a new solar energy system for their home, business, or farm. That's why Nebraska Extension is presenting a workshop series around the state for those who have interest in this type of renewable energy.
Well, there's a lot of people that are very interested in solar at their farms and businesses, and for a number of reasons. Some of that could be just a reduction in their cost, potentially. It also could be some marketing, where they're trying to market their farm as green. And also just a desire to be green and to generate some of your own electricity. So with those different reasons that people want them, what I'm trying to help them do is do that good economic analysis to determine what is going to be the payback and the economic return before they build it, understand how the policies within their region impact their system, and then that helps a little bit with system design, because systems of a certain size are treated one way within policy, and over that size are a little different. So there's a lot of variability there, and so we're really trying to help them work through that and make those decisions with good data.
One of the biggest takeaways attendees will get from this event is going to be information that will help them make the best economic analysis for potential solar systems. By getting into the variable economics of solar power around the state, event participants will gain a better understanding of what will and won't work for their particular goals in the areas they reside.
And there is some debate going on within policy within the state on how the utilities deal with these customers. And also there's a lot of variability across the state with how the utilities have written policy and how they've interpreted some of the state law. And that really lends to a lot of diversity in the payback and the economics of these systems, and why it's really important to look at the economics in your unique situation and not just declare that these are a certain good deal or bad deal in different parts of the state. Really, one of our big highlights is going to be how to look at their individual rate schedules and how their individual utilities interpret policy, so that we can do a better job of economic analysis. And so really we're going to focus on economic analysis, but when we focus on economic analysis, we also can get into how these systems work, how we design these systems, where we put them on a roof or on the ground, and some of the ways that we optimize that system for a particular location. And so we're going to get into all that optimization and some of the design characteristics, but really in the framework of economic analysis.
There will be several opportunities available for people to attend one of these events around the state. The workshops will kick off on December 1st in Lincoln, followed by a December 5th stop in Tacoma. The following day, December 6th, there will be an event in Auburn. From there, residents in western Nebraska will have an opportunity to attend one of these workshops, where events will be held in Chadron on December 7th, Ogallala on December 8th, Concord December 13th, and ending in Central City on December 15th. Reporting for Market Journal, I'm Bill Dodd.
Thank you for that information, Bill. There is a $10 fee associated with registration of this event. You're also encouraged to register at least one day before that desired event you'd like to attend. Jon will be the host and speaker of the events. He has more than 10 years of experience now conducting solar economic analysis.